How to fix TikTok shop not showing. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. So when you open up TikTok and head into your profile, you don't find a basket option where you can post or have your own shop, then there might be a reason behind this. So if you are a creator and you want to have a TikTok shop, then you need to be eligible for that. And so the eligibility for this is you need to have 100 followers and be at least 18 years old, and you should also meet the community guidelines. Once you get all of these eligibility, you will be able to create your own TikTok shop. So if you head over to home and you do not find the shopping basket button anywhere here, then I'm going to show you how you can fix that. For this, you need to head over to Play Store and then search for TikTok. Now, if you find the update button, you simply want to tap on it and then update TikTok to the latest version. Once you have updated TikTok, you will be able to find the shop button. If you still do not find that button, it might be because this feature is new and it might not be rolled out for your region. So for that, you just have to wait for a couple of days until TikTok makes TikTok shop available in your region. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.